Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing Thomson's gazelles. These antelopes are even-toed ruminants from Africa. Thomson's gazelles are also known as tommies, and they're some of the most recognizable species from the savanna. They have white bellies, orange backs, and a black stripe running down their sides. Thomson's gazelles appear similar to the Grant's gazelle and the springbok, but both these larger species have white markings on their rumps that extend over their tail into their back. The Thomson's gazelle has a white rump, but it doesn't go beyond the base of its tail. Can you tell if these are Thomson's gazelles? They're springboks. Male and female Thomson's gazelles can be told apart by their size and their horns. Males are larger than females, ranging from 44 to 77 pounds in weight, and standing up to 3 feet tall. Females may be as short as 2 feet at the shoulders and weigh 33 to 55 pounds. Males also have more distinct horns, where females may have smaller, misshapen horns, or no horns at all. These ungulates live in savannahs and scrubby grasslands. They can tolerate dry weather better than most antelope species. Like other gazelles, Thomson's gazelle hearts and lungs shrink during droughts. This means these organs require less oxygen to function. With lower oxygen requirements, gazelles take fewer breaths, meaning they lose less water through respiratory evaporation. So, they can go without drinking for longer. In fact, some observations suggest that Thomson's gazelles can go their entire lives without drinking, as long as they have adequate, lush food. Thomson's gazelles mostly eat grasses. They can be found among herds of larger hoofed animals who trample long grass and encourage new grass to grow, which the gazelles happily consume. They'll also eat leaves, fruits, and seeds depending on seasonality and availability. Because they can tolerate drier conditions for longer than other ungulates, they'll stay in the dry part of their range longer. Still, after enough time, they'll migrate to greener pastures, following after the larger herds have moved on. When spooked by predators, Thomson's gazelles jump with stiff legs to alert nearby herd members danger is close. These mammals are eaten by wild dogs, hyenas, lions, cheetahs, leopards, pythons, baboons, and more. Both adults and babies are taken, though their calves are much more vulnerable. Approximately half the calves born don't make it to their first year of life. Thomson's gazelles breed year-round, though most births occur right at the start of the rainy season. They travel in loose herds that fluidly change by the hour. Males set up territories in prime grazing locations to attract as many females as possible, but there isn't any distinct hierarchy in the herds. Groups and individuals come and go as they please in small numbers of fewer than a dozen, to gatherings in the hundreds. Female Thomson's gazelles gestate 6 months and give birth to a single baby who can walk within their first few hours of life. However, they'll remain hidden for a few days with their mother returning to them only to nurse. After this, they join the herd, though they continue nursing for a few months. Thomson's gazelles reach reproductive maturity between the ages of 1 and 2. If they can live this long, their life expectancy extends to a decade. Amazingly, adult Thomson's gazelles can outrun a cheetah. While cheetahs may be faster than the Thomson's gazelle's top speed, around 50 miles per hour, the gazelles have better endurance and can run further for longer. For more facts on Thomson's gazelles, check out the links below. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Thank you to our patrons, SpikeSpiegel93, Dad, and everyone else for their support of this channel. And thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.